So that's where I go, is I like to talk about those basic foundational skills. I think for kids to be confident in the kitchen, they need to know how to use the stovetop safely. They need to know how to measure and stir really well. They need to know how to read and follow a recipe, right? That's a skill. It's different than a chapter book when you're reading a recipe. So that's something that, the first few times your kids are in the kitchen, you really work on. What does this mean? What are these ingredients? Where are they? What do these fractions mean? All of that sort of recipe literacy. And then they need to have those knife skills. That's incredibly empowering. So for those 10-year-old kids, we're going to teach those basic foundational skills, and then let them have some, let the apron strings out, let them have some independence there. Because when kids build confidence in the kitchen, it is amazing to see how that confidence spills out into the rest of their life. They become more confident human beings because they're doing this real authentic task. They're nourishing people. They're doing tasks that adults do, and they know it. And that is so much more worth than a participation medal, than a good job, than sticking their artwork to the fridge, like that is real deal authentic self-esteem.